The first man on the moon. Einstein's theories. Conquering Everest. Pioneers have inspired us to set new standards and produce the world's best hearing technologies. Our developers designed a hearing aid that's so small you can hardly see it, so comfortable you can hardly feel it. And the industry-leading 2.4 gigahertz wireless connection in Beltone First lets you connect directly to your iPhone. Pick up the phone, listen to music, and use your hearing aids like wireless headphones. The excellent feedback eraser lets you forget about unpleasant feedback or whistling when you hug your loved ones. With Beltone First, you simply get the best possible sound quality. You can adjust hearing aid settings directly from your iPhone. Advanced directionality options help you communicate clearly. However noisy it gets around you, the hearing aid lets you focus on speech at all times. All this from a hearing aid that suits more than 9 out of 10 people with hearing loss. Beltone First, pioneering better hearing.